Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the device and connecting it to a stable Wi-Fi network. This is essential because account verification needs internet. Once done, choose your language and accept basic setup prompts, then select Setup as New or Sign In. Make sure you have the Google account email and password handy, plus any two-factor method like Authenticator or SMS. If you can, enable a temporary hotspot from another phone so you don't stall on network steps. Next, tap Sign In with Google and carefully type your email and password. Mistyped characters are the most common hiccup. After credentials, complete two-factor authentication. Enter a code from SMS, an Authenticator app, or follow the prompt to approve on another device. If factory reset protection appears, follow the on-screen ownership verification. Use your recovery email, enter the original device PIN, or provide purchase information if requested. Proceed through permissions and sync options slowly so you don't miss a step. To finish, choose whether to restore a backup, set a screen lock, and accept Google services. This completes account linkage and lets apps sync. Make sure sync is enabled so contacts and settings return. If verification fails, use Google account recovery immediately and follow prompts to reset your password or confirm recovery options. Keep alternate email and phone ready. If recovery still fails, gather proof of purchase and contact the device manufacturer or carrier for assistance in unlocking factory reset protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.